Hi guys, it's Sam from Creatively Sam's. Welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad you stopped by. Today's video is going to be a July menu and shopping list. This is going to be the first menu that I've done where I can absolutely not have any carbs at all. So I'm going to be trying to fix a menu up for myself and my family. I got my blood work back. My cholesterol was entirely too high, and of course they want to put me on drugs right away. So I went and talked to my chiropractor, and he said that the quickest way to get your cholesterol down is no carbs and exercise. So I've been trying the no carbs, and I'm trying really hard not to cheat. So first thing I'm going to do is put the dates on my calendar and get started. Okay, well, I hope this menu's going to work for me. Thursday is now the new band day. So like I have said before, making pizza on band practice day is fast, and it's something that both the guys can eat quickly before they have to run off. Fridays, I'm going to have soup and sandwiches. For me, I'll have broth. I'll have vegetables, my homemade vegetable / detox. But yeah, they can have their soup and sandwiches. Usually this is like Lipton chicken noodle and grilled cheese. And it's one of my husband's favorite meals, and I like to make it for him. You can see we've got the baby on Saturdays and Sundays, and he doesn't eat much more than hot dogs, macaroni and cheese, that kind of stuff. So I'm making hot dogs, macaroni and cheese, which all three of the guys can eat, and I'll have a salad. And I'm having that the entire month on Saturday. Sunday, it's the 4th, and I'm going to have hamburgers. Mine will be plain. Tater tots, which is my husband's favorite, and corn on the cob. He and my son both love that. And green beans. So I'll be having hamburgers with green beans, and they'll be having the others. Normally on Sundays I make spaghetti. It's almost always angel hair because that's what the baby loves. And like I said, trying to get him to eat. He's still really picky. He's at that age where you feel really happy if he eats a meal. So I'm making spaghetti, meatballs, and salad. And I will have a couple of meatballs cut up in my salad where they'll have their spaghetti and meatballs. Monday is chicken, and I'm alternating between whole chickens and chicken breasts. Walmart's got a really good price on their 2-pack of whole chickens, and pressure cooking them, it takes no time at all. So I'm going to have that, and I'll be making buttered noodles for the guys, and I'll be chopping up my chicken in a salad. And this is pretty much the same thing. I'm going to have chicken breasts with mashed potatoes in the salad, chicken breasts with home fries in the salad, whole chicken with buttered noodles and salad again. Tuesday, I've decided Tuesday is going to be meatless day. So we're going to have eggs and home fries. My husband absolutely loves this meal. He can have this breakfast, lunch, and dinner, and he's just tickled pink. So, yeah, we're going to have eggs and home fries, shrimp and tater tots. Tater tots, my husband loves them. So does the baby, so does my son. So I do buy that for them. And I can eat just the plain shrimp, and I'll probably have, leftover salad with it. Here, eggs and home fries again, and shrimp and tater tots with corn again. Wednesday, bacon cheeseburgers. I like crumbling up my hamburger and the bacon and have shredded cheese on my salad. So I'm going to have bacon and cheeseburgers and a salad. And I'm going to have that the entire month on Wednesday. And that's pretty much it. And we'll see how I do with this. I may be climbing the walls by the end of the month. But, yeah, there's going to be absolutely no carbs for me at all. Because I'm not going to go on medication to reduce my cholesterol. And if the chiropractor says no carbs and exercise, that's what I'm going to do. Because both my cardiologist and my regular PCP want to put me on Repatha. And I'm not doing injections again. Not with some of the side effects that I've had with other medications. So we'll give this a try and see what happens. The shopping list. Anytime I'm on the no carbs, I always spend a whole lot more just because lean meats and produce really adds up. So I'm going to get the chicken. We have ground meat, so I don't have to worry about that. But I have 2 chicken breasts and 2 whole chickens. 2 packages of bacon. And that's for breakfasts and bacon cheeseburgers and eggs and home fries and surprise hubby for breakfast. A package of hot dogs. I know I've told you before that I get the large family size packages, which divides up into 5 meals. So yeah, I'm getting one of those. I'm getting 2 bags of shrimp. And I usually just get the frozen and thaw them, and we just have naked shrimp. And my husband, I love that. Okay, soups. We're going to get the baby his ABCs and his Paw Patrol chicken and low sodium chicken. Just because I want to have it on hand, because I like having chicken soup on hand. And chicken broth. I am probably going to get 2 of the low sodium chicken broth, maybe more. Green beans, yeah, I'm going to be getting a couple cans of that. I do have quite a bit, but like I said, I'm going to make the detox soup, so a lot of that's going to go in there. I'm going to get a can of tomatoes because I'm probably going to make tomato soup, and I need the crushed tomatoes for that. I'm getting 3 of the pizza sauce. That's Del Grosso, and that's my husband's favorite, so yeah, I'm going to get that. 2 of the Del Grosso spaghetti sauce, a couple of tomato sauce, a couple of tomato paste, a chickpea. There are carbs in chickpeas, but I can actually have them on this diet. Just don't go absolutely insane. A couple of mushrooms. The baby actually asked me for mushrooms. So I'm going to add that to the spaghetti sauce one day when he's here, and I think he'll be a very happy little camper. The usual 10 packs of tuna, and that's for my salads as well as my husband's lunch. And a couple packages of the sugar-free peaches. Baby loves them. I put them in my husband's lunch, and once in a while I'll munch them too. I want to get a package of California Mix, because if I make that and just leave it sit in the fridge, anytime I get hungry, I just warm up a small bowl, and it's already cooked. And a package of meatballs for our spaghetti and meatball dinners. Ice cream. The baby asked me for ice cream, so I think I might get no sugar added Klondikes, because he likes them, and my husband and I will both eat them too. Although I shouldn't, but just in case. And sugar-free Cool Whip. They like that on their puddings and pie, and it's just good to have around. 2 packages of angel hair. I have some, but think I only have 2 packages, so I'm going to get a couple of those. A salad dressing, I'm running low. Garlic powder, peanut butter. Jif just came out with a sugar-free peanut butter, and it's a little on the dry side, but it's not bad. Sugar-free jelly, of course, and Splenda. I have been going through homemade iced tea like crazy, and I always use Splenda and Lipton tea bags for that. I'm running low on sea salt, so I'll be getting a package of Heinz sea salt, and I really like the way that pours. And I need baking soda for cleaning. I need a couple bags of cat food, and I'm going to get them some treats this time. And let's see, dairy, a couple milk, 4 eggs, because I have been hard boiling at least a dozen. These are 18-pack eggs, so I'll probably hard boil the entire package. And it's good for my salads, and it's good to just have around when I'm hungry. A couple of butter, cheese. This is the American individual slices for grilled cheese, and mozzarella. And let's see, sugar-free pudding for my husband's lunch, sugar-free Jell-O for me, and the baby likes both. And a couple of pizza doughs. I have 1, so I just need 2. I need bread for the grilled cheese, and hot dog buns and hamburger buns for their sandwiches. I want to get some Gatorade. I want to get the regular, and I want to get the sugar-free, because I think it's a good idea with this heat wave that we've been having to keep that on hand. Let's see, tea. I need Lipton tea, because like I said, I just got some, but that was opening the last box, and with the amount of iced tea that I've been going through, which is about 2 quart pitchers a day, yeah, I need the Lipton tea and matcha. My husband loves matcha. I can't handle green tea. I've tried to drink this, and it really upsets my stomach. I don't know why. Maybe if I try it with honey, it'll be better. So, I'm not like spelling it wrong. Okay. Alright, my husband likes Cheez-Its crackers, so I'm going to get him a couple boxes of that. Vitamins, I need some CoQ10, 200 milligrams. I've got about a half a bottle, and I have learned, ever since this pandemic started, that some days you'll go in and you will not be able to find the vitamins that you need, and other days there'll be multitudes. So now, as soon as I open one, I get another one, or I buy 2 at a time. Need a thing of hair dye, because vanity, thy name is woman. Toothpaste, I need baby toothpaste and a new baby toothbrush. Boy, does that kid love to brush his teeth. God love him, he just thinks he's so grown up when he does it. And every morning when we get up, first thing, he's ready for Grandma to go in and brush her teeth, and he brushes his. So, yeah, he's gone through his tube of toothpaste, and his toothbrush is starting to look a little worse for wear. I want to get him either a pair of sunglasses or a sun hat that has the sunglasses built in, because when he watches the train go by, that sun always goes right in his eyes. So he's always asking me for mine. And I give him my blue blocker sunglasses, but they're way too big for his little face. Alright, produce. I'm not getting much in the produce because it'll go bad. So I just get like a week's worth at a time. So I'm getting 2 packages salad mix, a package of tomatoes, potatoes for our home fries, bananas, the baby loves his bananas, and matchstick carrots for the baby. And of course I'll cook the leftovers for me. Baby spinach. The baby loves spinach, but he really likes the baby spinach. And to be honest with you, I think it's not quite as bitter as regular spinach. He doesn't like it cooked. Grandma loves it cooked. He wants his on the side with his eggs. Let's see. Paper products, toilet paper, paper towels, and tissues. Same every week. Cleaning, I honestly don't need anything except Lysol toilet bowl cleaner. So I'm going to get, hopefully they'll have a 2-pack. 9 out of 10 times they do. But I'll just make sure I get that. And my can opener is starting to go. So I've got an electric can opener on there. I want to get a bottle of bubbles because the baby loves to do bubbles out in the yard. And I need some battery operated votive candles. I need them for my projects, and the baby loves to play with them. The kid lights up his Thomas the Train track set like they're little lanterns, and I think it's adorable. So I don't care if he wears the batteries down. He has a good time. And I need a couple things of white poster board. And that's about it for everything I have to get at Walmart. And like I said, it's a little bit bigger than I usually get, but I am trying, basically I'm feeding 2 families, me and the guys. So we'll see how this works. But I like, you know, all the chicken and having leftover chickens because I can munch on that, and that's about it. I hope this gave you some ideas, and you know, doing it this way, I have saved myself a lot of money because I don't buy doubles unless I want them, and I'm not wasting money or time because all I have to do is look to know what I'm making and what I have to thaw out for that day. It actually makes life so much easier. So if you like what you saw, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and happy creating, everyone.